Can you tell me the name of this plant and how to care for it? Thank you. This is Angela from Durham, North Carolina. So how about that? Durham, North Carolina.
Great.
So she wants to know the name of this plant and how to care for it. And I think we can help her out, huh?
Yes, we can.
All right.
Well, it's Acanthocereus tetragonus.
Okay, yeah. Glad you said that. All right.
Yeah. Well, we'll have that. You know, we'll spell that out for you. But simply, it's triangle cactus because it's got 3 sides. That's a tetra part of the scientific name.
That
it's
I got.
3 sides, and it's got the spines up each of the edges.
Yeah, the edges.
It's really nice. But care for it. Yeah, I can see why she would ask. I saw some brown
I did too as well.
on that, and I would say that's overwatering. They like a drier condition to grow in. In fact, I would take the soil she has and just add some sand to it. But it also looks like it's down under a shelf, like it needs to be out in more sun.
Right, because it appreciates the full sun.
Yes,
right.
it loves the full sun. In fact, I believe it is a wildflower in Texas.
Wow.
And and when it does bloom in Texas, it's a good pollinator plant.
Oh, good.
So yeah, it likes the hot sun, but it likes a drier condition. I think the dark streaks indicate to me it's not getting enough.
Yeah, too much water.
It's too much water and not enough light.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Pollinator too as well.
Yeah,
How about that?
It's pollinator.
So pretty good. So the name of that plant again is?
Well, it's a triangle cactus.
Yes, triangle cactus. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.